Hello students, today we are going to solve 7th numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as, while designing a hill road with a rolling gradient of 6%, if a sharp horizontal curve of 50-meter radius is encountered, the compensated gradient at the curve as per the Indian Road Congress specification should be. Now we have to find the value of compensated gradient here. Now we know that compensated gradient will be equals to ruling gradient minus grade compensation. Now ruling gradient is given in the question, that is 6%. Now we have to find the grade compensation. Now for grade compensation, the formula will be equals to 30 plus R upon R and 75 upon R. Now the value of grade compensation will be the minimum of these two. Okay. Now we will find the value of 30 plus R upon R. Now radius is given in the question, that is 50 meters. So we will write here 30 plus 50 divided by 50. On solving this, we will have the value equals to 1.6. Similarly, we will find the value of 75 upon R, that is 75 upon 50, and it will be equals to 1.5. So grade compensation will be equals to the minimum of these two, that is 1.5. Now we have to find the value of compensated gradient. Therefore compensated gradient will be equals to ruling gradient, that is 6%, minus grade compensation, that is 1.5%. On solving this value comes out as 4.5%, which should be greater than 4%. So compensated gradient will be equals to 4.5%. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.